Let's look at some types of poetry. Narrative poetry. So the word narrate is a clue. You know a narrator is the one who tells the story. That's right. So a narrative poem is like a story. It tells a story. It may or may not use rhyme. It has many elements of a story like characters and plot, and it has imagery. Let's look at a narrative poem. This is a poem about Miss Minnie Muffin's baking store. Let's look at this second stanza right here and how it creates a beautiful picture in your mind while telling a story. So close your eyes and imagine the cinnamon was calling us. So imagine the smell of cinnamon calling you in a baking store. We smelled the chocolate too, so imagine smelling the chocolate while standing outside Miss Minnie Muffin's store. Now you have understood the imagery in this narrative poem. Let's look at another example. We have a lyrical poem. So lyrics means words of a song, and this we have is musical notes. That is a clue that lyrical poems are like songs. They show feelings and they express emotions. They use rhyme and they have meter. Let's look at a lyrical poem. It is a poem about how a little child, a boy, feels. Let's look at this line that shows how he feels. Inside, I am a human too. Now we can picture a boy and a little human inside him. And look at this line. I am more than just tantrums and screams. That helps you imagine the boy being more than tantrums and screams. So you can close your eyes, take a moment to read this poem, and imagine the pictures this creates about how the poet, the speaker, the little boy really feels. That is a lyrical poem's imagery.